dedicated solid carbide drills or reamers, or standard drills, either way, we get you covered. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at URMA, and I will tell you more about our drills. Drills are used anywhere in our industry. We are specialized in solutions for your part. The standard drills are called TXS, and they start from 6.8 up to 12.9. They're available from stock. And by the way, it's the ideal pre-machining tool for the RX small reamer. We have conical reamers as well that are mainly used in the automotive industries. Of course, we offer also multi-fluted drills like this 4-fluted drill, which is used in the hydraulic industry. We have different step drills, conical reamers, step reamers, and everything else.